Well, I'm trying to make coffee, about half a pot, and look what's happening here now. And I'll lift it up. That's hot. The steam's gonna fog up the lens. But anyway, down in there's water, and it's, if I touch it that's hot, that means it's not working so good. The backup or something is plugged, and it's not letting the water through the brewing. Okay, I'm back now with the coffee machine. So what I did now is I shut it off. Now I'm going to put about half a pot of water in. Okay. Without a coffee filter. Close the lid. Now switch it on and see what happens. I'll let you know in the description. Well, it's been 5 minutes with the water and it's still just gurgling. Back to the start goes.